Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Open Settings, Battery Health, and note the maximum capacity percentage. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so no data is lost during a battery swap. Make sure the battery is around 50 to 80% charged. This reduces risk. Prepare tools: pentalobe screwdriver, suction cup, spudger, and a certified iPhone 11 replacement battery. These steps protect your data and ensure a safe first move into the teardown. Power the phone off and remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the lightning port. This prevents accidental power. Next, apply a suction cup near the bottom edge and lift the display slightly. Insert a pick and work clockwise to loosen clips. Be gentle and patient. Once the display is open like a book, disconnect the battery connector first, then the display connectors to avoid shorting. Peel the battery's adhesive strips slowly and evenly. If they snap, warm the rear with a hair dryer to soften adhesive before prying. Install the replacement battery in the same orientation, press new adhesive into place, then reconnect the battery connector before reconnecting display cables. This sequence avoids power surges. Carefully lower and reseat the display, replace the 2 pentalobe screws, then power on. Once booted, check settings battery health to confirm the phone recognizes the new cell and run simple tests like a full charge cycle. If you see boot or charging errors, power off and recheck connectors and adhesive seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.